followed their mama, one and all. Quack, 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 went the little ducks as they followed their mama. No one's out of luck. In a line they march so cute and neat. These 12 little ducks can't be beat. Over the hill and across the stream, they chased Mr. Bugs and had a dream. Swim in the pond and splash all day. These 12 little ducks knew how to play. Little ducks knew how to play. Quack, quack, quack for the little ducks as they followed their mama. No one's out of luck. In a line they march so cute and neat. These 12 little ducks can't be beat. But then came a fox with a sly grin, eyeing the ducks thinking it's time to win. But Mama Duck quacked loud and clear, run little ones, don't you fear. Quack, quack, quack with the little ducks as they followed their mama. No one's out of luck. In a line they march so cute and neat. These 12 little ducks can't be beat. Over the hill and across the stream, they chased Mr. Bugs and had a dream. Swim in the pond and splash all day. These 12 little ducks knew how to play. As they follow their mama, no one's out of luck. In a line they march so cute and neat. These 12 little ducks can't be beat. Over the hill and across the stream, they chased Mr. Bugs and had a dream.